In this video, I'll be doing over my September YouTube analytics. So I'm really excited about this because it is my best month so far on YouTube in regards to AdSense. And right now I'm in the content. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to go to all, and it just shows the new viewers, returning viewers, subscribers. So I definitely had a lot more new viewers for my videos, 8.9K compared to 2.5K returning viewers. And then it goes by total views, mostly all came from videos. I did have 4.3K come from shorts, and then 2 come from live stream. So definitely not many there, but I don't really run live streams. I've only done one so far, and it was a while ago. And most people watch just the videos, some watch both, shorts only. I had, impressions and how they led to watch time. So 249.1K impressions. And then this is how people are finding my content, mostly through YouTube search, which makes me really happy because that means I have searchable content. And then browse features, which is from the impressions, channel pages, external suggested videos, other, and more. So I'm just going to go back up and now get into actually the part you all are probably here for. So let me go to the overview first. So for September, I made an estimated revenue of $252.66 with YouTube AdSense. Now, I will also show my current lifetime revenue throughout this video to give you an idea of how it's been going. But this is amazing. This is my first time making over $200 in a month with AdSense on YouTube. I had 22.9K views, 1.1K watch time hours, and 333 added subscribers. And I'm just super, super thankful for it. I have been posting at least once a week, I think, sometimes more. But I have been really, really busy. So it's been hard to stay as consistent as I'd like to be, but I'm still overall pretty happy with this. I did have a video take off a little bit. It didn't take off like it has like 20,000 views or anything, but I did have one video that got over, I think it's over 4,000 views now. And it's this video here, a realistic first year of Amazon KDP. And that really helped my income as well. And looking at the different days here, I'll go over that in the actual revenue tab. Goes over my top content, which is the a realistic first year Amazon KDP, then my income report for August, and then a short, and then the resize KDP cover, how to start KDP in 2023, and then one of my coloring book videos, and then mid-September income report. So some of these are consistently in my top videos, and others are brand new. Going to audience really quick, I'll just show you some of the stats on this page. But I won't spend too much time on here. So I had 2.8K returning viewers, 13.8K unique viewers, and again, 333 subscribers added. And this is all more than the previous month. So my revenue was 96% more than August 2nd through 31st of 2023, which is just like unbelievable. So if I go to supers, I had one super. I believe it was a $10 super. I think after the fees, this is what I ended up getting. And I really, really appreciate it. So thank you so much to who sent me this super. I did have one membership, again, the same member that was that just started before, and I'm just so grateful for it. So thank you very much. Shorts, I had 15 cents. Don't really post a lot of shorts. They don't get a ton of views compared to shorts that have like millions or hundreds of thousands of views. And yeah, I just don't really make a lot of money from them. Watch page ads took up $243.26. And now I'll go back to all. We can just see here the little changes in the graph. So majority of my income are from watch page ads. My highest day was, I think this day here, $18.53. And my lowest day, I think, was here at $3.78, or right here at $3.48. And I'm just extremely grateful. This is amazing. Super, super happy. My, average RPM is 13.55, which is definitely up. So that's also a huge factor as to how I was able to make more money, because my CPM and RPM has been higher lately, and that helps a lot. And then the video doing well definitely helped. Here's some of my previous months. So prior to this, August was the first month that I made over $100 through YouTube AdSense. And then September, I made over $200, which is just, I'm still like kind of in awe about that. My top earning content was this realistic first year of Amazon KDP that made a whopping $60.70. So that's amazing. How to start KDP in 2023, $24 and something and 2 cents. Resize, $23.35. The RPM and CPM on these two have been pretty high, which is just really cool to see. And then the income report, and then second time unemployed in 2023. And I do get some money from premium. I'm not sure if it's going to load, but I'll try. If I hit see more here, it should tell me right here, YouTube premium, $2.23. So it kind of just lays it all out, but 95.4% of my income came from watch page ads, which is $241.05. So I'm very grateful, very happy about this. So thank you so much to everyone that supports my channel, watches my videos, everything like that. Let me go to my lifetime really quick, and then I'll show 2022 and 2023. So my current lifetime on YouTube is $907.16 in AdSense. So I wasn't monetized until November 7th, I think was the first day, 2022. And I started my channel in January 2022. So it took me about 10 months or so to actually get monetized, 10 or 11 months. And then I was able to start making money. But you can see the big difference here. I'm not entirely sure why, if I'm being honest, so I can't really help much there. My CPM and RPM have been up, and some of my videos have been getting more views. It hasn't been something super drastic, like those people that grow 5,000 subscribers in one day or anything like that. But either way, I'm not really going to question it. I'm just going to go along with it. So I'm very thankful and happy about that. And I'll go to 2022. I made a total for the whole year $60.28. I wasn't monetized till November 7th. And then 2023, give it a second to load, $846.88. So it's definitely been a lot here. Let me hit see more here, and maybe it'll show all the months individually. I really need to go through my analytics and really deep dive. I just haven't had a ton of time lately to do that, like extra time. So here we go. This kind of shows a bunch of different ones here. I kind of wanted it sorted by month, but that's okay. I think it's sorting it by estimated revenue. But looking here, so far for October, it's definitely down from September, but I think that's because I haven't been able to post as much, and that's okay. I'm still really happy for any sort of extra income, but most of the time I haven't made anything over $100. August was the first time I made over $100 in a month. June was very close, and then September is the first time I made over $200 in a month, and we're still currently in October, but so I'm not sure what that is right now. I'm currently around $60 or something, and regardless, I'm happy for any sort of extra income, but I do want to make at least $100 a month, because you don't get paid out unless you have $100. So if you make $50 one month, $70 the next month, they'll roll over and be combined to $120, and then you get paid out. But if you don't make $100 within 1 month, it rolls over. So I do really want to keep reaching that $100 threshold. So I'm hoping to do that each month, and that would just be super helpful. And then they have this research tab here that I won't really get into, but for views for September, over that, 22.9K views, which is about the same as August. So it's very interesting to see the major difference in revenue. Major, at least this is major to me, but with the same amount of views. 1.1K watch time was 48% more. So that's definitely a huge impact, since the more people watch, the more ads they probably see. The subscribers is up 59%, and then revenue is up 96%. For doing the August 2nd through 31st comparison. So I really hope this was helpful. I hope it was inspiring. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to comment them below. I try to respond to everybody the best that I can, and please just remember to be kind. Thank you so much for watching and listening, and I hope that you have a great day.